In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see who shared your post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Facebook app and then head over to menu. After that, tap at that gear to go to settings and privacy and then scroll down a bit until you find notifications. Here, first off, we need to get into more activity about you, and then we need to make sure that this option turned on. Also, if we go back to notification settings, here at the top we'll find mute push notifications. Here, make sure this is disabled. Once it is done, down below here at that bar you will find notifications, then get into it, and if someone shared your post, you can find that information here among all of your Facebook notifications. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.